Before we get started with Google Sheets, we have a quick Seesaw update. Beginning October 27th, Seesaw is getting a new icon. The experience and functionality will not change for teachers and students, but we wanted you to be aware that this is coming. Please be on the lookout and help spread the word. And now on to Google Sheets. So far, we have learned how to clean up our data, how to format cells, some simple formulas, and how to count in a variety of ways, including using a pivot table. But now let's say we have a table with our list of students, their formative and summative assessment grades, and want to use colors to visually represent where each student is at. To do this, I would highlight all of the columns I want to display color and choose Format, Conditional Formatting, and a box of rules shows up to the right. Stay on Single Color, and under Format Rules, choose the option you need under Format Cells If. In this case, I'm going to choose the greater than or equal to, enter the value of 90, then choose the color green in bold. Look what happens to my table on the left. I can choose Done or add another rule. I will continue to add another rule for each grade band I want to have. In this case, I will choose Is Between, enter 80 and 89.99. Choose a color and choose Done. And now continue to add rules for the rest of the grades. Once my rules are in, the conditional formatting is dynamic, meaning it changes as the scores change. For example, Cindy is really upset because she did really well on the homework, but didn't perform as well in the final exam. She asks if she can retake the test and receives a 79, pushing her overall grade to 80.2. When these changes were made, the colors changed. It's as simple as that. Stay tuned for the next Sheets demonstration when we learn how to link data between sheets.
You missed a line, so all I need to say is enter 80. Enter 80.
In that inflection,
Yes.
enter 80. Enter 80. Enter 80. Enter 80.
I think that's enough. That's my team.